Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve battery life of your Redmi 17 4G. First of all, this video would be much more useful for you if you also checked our other video on how to debloat your Redmi 17. It's also on our channel. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere nearby this video, or you can just search for debloating Redmi 17 on our channel and you'll find it. But if you pretty much know what a debloating is, I can briefly explain what you have to do to debloat your smartphone. You have to go to settings, about phone, then you're gonna have to tap OS version like 7 times until you become a developer. Once you become a developer, you have to go back to settings. You have to scroll down to additional settings menu, open it, and here you're gonna have to go to developer options. In developer options, scroll down to USB debugging in debugging section. So basically scroll down to debugging section. Switch on USB debugging right here, switch on wireless debugging right here. After that, go to Google Play Store, install 2 applications from here. The first one is Shizuku, which looks like this. Then the second one is Kanta, that looks like this. Then you're gonna have to first connect your Shizuku to your smartphone using wireless debugging within the Shizuku application. Run the Shizuku, then go to settings on your phone. Give Kanta Debloater permission to use Shizuku in permissions of Kanta, and then using the Kanta, delete all the applications that you don't need on your smartphone. After that, in order to furthermore improve your battery's condition and improve its life, let's first go to devices settings by swiping down the control center, opening settings once again. Scroll down to battery. Now just perform the quick battery checkup and see the suggestions, see what you feel like doing, especially turning on the dark mode. Make sure to turn on the dark mode if you really care about your battery. It will significantly help your device's battery and your device's CPU to run your device if you simply enable this dark mode. Okay, we can re-enable location because it's useful. And also let's return to battery settings and let's check the charging settings in battery protection. So let's enable either intelligent charging and let the smartphone adapt to our to our routines and not overcharge the battery, so that the charging doesn't damage our device. Or you can simply enable battery protection and limit your charging to 80%, which is the universal battery protector. Also, make sure to use standard wired charging mode. Unless you really need to charge your device fast, then you can enable speed up, but basically the standard mode will prevent your device from overheating and your battery from aging faster. Also, if you play games on your smartphone, open Game Turbo and make sure to enable one thing inside of it. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner of this application and go to Performance and enable Performance Optimization. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.